Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with more Destash. I believe this is the last one that I'm going to be doing for a little while. And let's go ahead and get started. So it's US only, PayPal. Please email me at scoop71@yahoo.com if you're interested in any of these boxes. All right, this is number 24, and you get the Julie Nutting. These two dolls are wooden dolls. And then you also get this super cute cling stamp. I just have two of them. So that's the only reason why I'm getting rid of this one, is because I already have it. So this is what happens when you're not organized. You buy things twice. So it's super cute. It's really new, fairly new. Anyway, you get the bunny and the stamps that come with it. And it comes with dies. So there you go, right there. And I am asking shipped $20 shipped, because these are all brand new items. All right, now I'm moving on to number 25. This is box 25, and I'm going to ask $27 for this box. It is filled to the rim with stuff. Okay, so let me do my best to show you what's in here. It's just tons of stickers and ephemera. So I'm just going to pull stuff out and show you what's in here. That's the fall mat stat. That's paper. That happy planner. I've never even used that. Some of these I might have used one or two stickers in them, but most of them are brand new. A lot of these are enamel, lots of simple stories. Trying to clean things out, and you can't even believe the unholy mess that I have left to sort. It's a lot. So, and it's like I can't allow myself to leave it a mess and craft. So I actually need to do some cleaning up before I can allow myself to craft, because it's like that messy. Stickers. These are brand new, never used. Paper. And then, so this is $27 shipped. You also get these cameos. Okay. All right. Let me somehow put this stuff back, and then we'll move on to the other two things we have, which are fairly quick, at least. So make sure that everything fits. That's the whole thing, right? Making sure everything fits back the way that it did when I first had it in there, to make sure everything fit. Okay. You would think after getting rid of 17 boxes that I would feel like lighter, but not really. Well, I shouldn't say that. A little bit lighter. It definitely is neater putting things back. I have a little bit more space to work with, but it doesn't make as much, didn't make as much of a difference as I had hoped. Okay, almost there. lot of stuff. All right. Okay. This is going to be a specialty item. Not everyone's going to be interested in this one, but it's brand new. I found it in my collection. It's still sealed and everything. It is a silhouette rhinestone starter kit, and it looks like it's something that's retired. You still can find it here and there. So let's see, rhinestone starter kit. So I'm going to ask, I mean, it's going to cost me some money to ship. I'm going to ask, I'm trying to think, $18 for this. Now, normal price was like $25, and I saw it between $20. Actually, normal price was $40. I saw it between $25 and $40. And that doesn't include shipping, so I think that's a pretty fair price. So it's the complete rhinestone starter kit. You can Google it like I did to find out what the heck. Okay, this is the last one. The last one. So this is number 27. Number 27. And I'm just going to tell you right up front, this one is 50 bucks. Right up front, 50 bucks. Okay? So, because it's good. Thinlits, fold-alongs. I'm saying goodbye to you. This, I'm saying goodbye to you. These pop-up Thinlit letters. I have no patience for these. I'm sorry. For any of these three things, I don't have patience for. I just have no patience. So this, I can make this. I know I can. So, right, brand new, never used these two items. I've never used. I've never used this. This is Simon Says stamp. This is the plush basket. Never used. Never used. I think it's a steal for 50 bucks. Never used. And that's. So that one is 50 bucks. It's number 27. It was hard for me to even put those in there to give away because I hate giving away stuff like that. But not giving away, but selling it, parting with it. So anyway, that is my Destash. Please help me out. Go ahead and email me with any of your wish list items, things that you would like. Pay promptly, and I will pack it up and I will mail it first thing when I get up on Wednesday. Post office opens at 8. I will be there. I live in California, so 8 for me is like noon for you guys. But anyway, I will go ahead and ship it as quickly as I can. Thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year's.